There it is. Oh man, this sun is bright. Alrighty, good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on my brand new truck I just picked up. It's a 2018 Tacoma TRD 4x4 off-road. And we're going to be installing a leveling kit on this thing. So I'm not going to show you guys how to do it because there's a lot of videos out there that show pretty much how to do it. But I'll link the video to the company that I actually bought the leveling kit from, and you guys can watch their detailed video. But for now, let me guys just kind of show you around what it looks like. There it is. It's a quicksand color. It's the name of it. It's a 2018. Man, the camera's about to die. We're gonna be installing this leveling kit with Andy right here. So I'm gonna change my battery. And when she's done, I will give you guys an update. Well, let's just move on and let's see what she looks like in 3, 2, 1. So much better compared to what it was before. Let's go out here from the front view. There she is. Looking much better. So show you guys the wheel setup I'm using right now. It's BFG, the KO2s. Ended up going with 285. Where is it at? Right there. 285 70/17s, and they are on the fuel wheels. I really like them because around them you can see like the gold, like the hardware around it kind of matches the truck. And they don't rub anywhere at all, the 285 70/17s. I also went with the low range leveling kit. I know I'm gonna get some hate for this and why, you know, this is not a good idea, but for now it's just my daily driver. So I don't need anything just crazy yet, but if I ever decide to go some crazy off-roading, then yeah, that wouldn't be a good idea to run those, the leveling kit. In the rear, I'm not sure what happened. They sent me the wrong kit, and I was supposed to get another leaf spring. Let me go on this side instead of a block, because right now there's a block right there. And I ordered a leaf. They sent me one, and it did not fit. I ended up just throwing the block for the time being until I get the correct leaf spring from them. But for now, it does stay level, so I'm not too disappointed, but I wish I did have the right spring on it. I will also link the video for you guys on how to install this kit. It's not going to be from me, it's going to be from Low Range. They explained it very well in their video, at least way better than I would explain it. So I'm going to link it to them if you guys want to install this similar leveling kit. Then you guys can go check out their video. But this video is mainly about, you know, this truck. Picked it up in Dallas, Texas. I live in Washington. Already has 2,500 miles in like a week. Wanted to show you guys the truck. If you guys have any questions about it, just let me know. But it's 2018. It's the 4x4 off-road edition with the long bed. I do like the way these long beds look compared to the short beds, but you know, it's personal preference. It's already got all this good stuff in the back. The liner, plastic, it's got some storage unit right there. A little one there. It's got a plug. I'm actually charging one of my camera batteries right now. Definitely a plus. Interior. Let me show you guys the interior on this thing. So it's cloth. I don't really care about leather. There I have a Navi in there, XM, AM, all that good stuff. Just the regular stuff. Check engine. That's because my truck ain't on. Ignition on. Obviously, I'm charging the battery in the back. It does have the lights in the back, like right there. There's one right there, one right here, and then in the back lights up the whole bed. So got some camo rugs for the time being. But yeah, right when I start this video, the sun has to come out and overexposes one side of the truck. But this is how she looks. Try to do some B-roll for you guys. Make, you know, some close-ups so you guys can have a better idea how everything looks. But I'm really enjoying this truck. It's my first Tacoma I've owned, but I'm definitely loving it. So there she is. Looks so much better. These LEDs, I don't know if you can see them now. It's light, but shines really good. Anyways, if you guys want to see some truck content, I still have my Charger, but if you guys want to see some off-roading, or just, I'm going to be adding some roof racks and just a bunch of little stuff. Another one of my money pits. But if you guys want to see more videos, make sure to subscribe. If you want to leave me a comment what you guys want me to do next to this truck, and stay tuned for all the other awesome videos going to be coming up. I'm no longer a truck driver. I still have my truck back home, so the ones that don't know, I used to drive a semi-truck. I'm just sick and tired of it. Wanted to try something different. So I'm out here in Oregon now instead of Washington. I'm going to try to make as much videos as possible for YouTube and for my new job that I'm going to have. So I should be able to post a lot more now, have a lot more time compared to when I was truck driving. So make sure you guys subscribe so you guys can follow on this new journey out here in Oregon, and see you guys on the next video. Peace out.